Okay, so this says, what is the slope of the line tangent to the polar curve r equals cosine of theta at the point where theta is pi over 6? So in polar, slope of a tangent line, as always, is dy dx. In order to find that, we got to do dy d theta divided by dy dx. Okay, and so first we got to get y in terms of theta. So y is our cosine theta. Since r is cosine theta, it would be cosine theta, which is cosine squared theta. And then x would be r. Sorry, I just swapped that. This is x. Use pink. Sorry, this is x right here. And y is r sine theta. Okay, so that'll be cosine theta times sine theta, which you can leave like that, I guess. There's a nice identity you could use here, but trig identity, but I won't use it in case you don't know it or you don't remember it. Okay, so now we need dy d theta and dx d theta. So dx d theta. So dx d theta. Okay, by the chain rule would be 2 cosine of theta times the derivative of the inside, which is negative sine of theta. And dy d theta, okay, we're going to use the product rule here, right? uv prime plus vu prime. So it'll be cosine times the derivative of sine is cosine, plus the derivative of cosine is negative sine times sine. In other words, cosine squared minus sine squared. And now I've got to evaluate it at the angle pi over 6. And then put them in. So at pi over 6, you get, so this is negative 2 cosine of pi over 6, sine of pi over 6, which is negative 2 times root 3 over 2 times 1/2. Okay, which in the end is root 3 over 2. Okay, we'll come back to that. Here again, I'm also plugging in pi over 6. So I get cosine squared. Okay, and this is root 3 over 2 squared. This is a half squared. And so I get 3/4 minus 1/4, which is 2/4, which is a half. So we just go put these in the right spot. So that was dy d theta. That's our numerator. So that's 1/2. And then my denominator is root 3 over 2. So I get 1 over root 3. And that's answer choice. Actually, that's wrong because I forgot my negative over here. Sorry. I forgot this is a negative, so it makes that a negative, making this a negative, making that a negative, and so apologies, but it's actually answer choice B.